Welcome everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting for all pool owners. If you love clean pools but dread the cleaning process, then this video is for you. Introducing the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot, your new best friend for effortless pool maintenance. This sleek machine is not just any pool vacuum. It's powered by advanced AI and packed with amazing features. Let's see what makes the AquaSense 2 Ultra a must-have for your pool. First, we have AI-powered pool mapping. With its AI camera, dual TOF sensors, infrared and ultrasonic technology, this vacuum navigates your pool with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring every inch is clean. Just look at it. It effortlessly glides across the pool, maps out the best cleaning path, and avoids any obstacles in its path. But that's not all. The AquaSense 2 Ultra offers 5-in-1 cleaning benefits. It cleans the pool's surface, waterline, walls, floors, and even sanitizes the water, leaving your pool crystal clear. With advanced debris detection, this vacuum ensures that no debris is left behind. Plus, dual side brushes ensure that even surface debris is efficiently collected. One of my favorite features is the smart surface parking. When cleaning is done or the battery is low, the vacuum parks itself on the surface of the water. It's very convenient and saves you a lot of hassle. And if that's not enough, the AquaSense 2 Ultra uses clear water technology to trap fine particles, improving filtration and reducing chemical usage. It's an all-in-one solution for a clean, healthy pool. So, if you're ready to simplify pool maintenance, check out our description box today and get your AquaSense 2 Ultra. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.